What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today we've got a quick unboxing of the Sony MDR-ZX110 AP headphones. Now, you're probably asking, why am I unboxing these when I've got a pair of sound links, Bose sound links, and some pretty good earbuds? Well, they're on clearance for 15 bucks, so why as well. So apparently these are for smartphones and have powerful, high quality sound. Hands-free phone calls. It's got a remote mic in there, and it's got a folding or a compact design that you can see through the plastic. A few more specs on different languages. On the back, you can see the 90-degree 3.5mm jack, and see headphones there, and the inline remote. So let's just open these things. There we go. Okay, there. Okay. And, oh, there we go. Ah, perfect, okay. So, can we can lift this portion up, I'm assuming. Oh, there we go. Alright, what we got in here? It's the cable. Put that over there. So here you've got manual. What we got in here? Come on. Do you really need this much? Put that over there. Okay. Got the cable. Let's get this thing. Oh, come on. I'm not good with cable ties, I'm gonna be honest. There you go, there's the 3.5mm jack. And there we go. There's the headphones. Oh. There we go. Okay, they look decent. Obviously, they're only $15 headphones. You can see that glossy black surface. And you got your hinges that unfold. Got your adjustment here. Obviously they do feel a bit cheap, but for what I'm going to be using them for, which is just taking them out when I'm traveling, they'll be fine. They're nothing amazing, but I have seen people who have put like decks on this, and they've apparently sounded quite good. So that has been the unboxing for these headphones. So if you guys do want to see a review on these, let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching, and catch you guys later.